Hello and welcome to this new video on how to upload reels on Instagram from PC. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to access your Facebook Creator Studio. So for that, you just need to open the web browser of your choice, and inside the web browser there will be a search bar. You just have to search for Creator Studio and the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the search result that says Creator Studio and Facebook, and the interface that is shown to you on the screen will be shown to you as well. And when you are inside this interface, you will be able to see create section. There will be different create section or create buttons like create post, create reel, create story and create ad. So you just have to click on create reel, and create reel section will be appeared right in front of you. Now you just have to add the video that you want to add in reel. So you just have to click on that add a video button and you'll be able to access the storage of your device, and you just have to choose the video that you want to upload. And when you have chosen the video that you want to upload, you just have to scroll down a little bit until you are able to see the description section. And when you have seen the description section, you just have to add the description. And when you have added the description that you want for your reel, you just have to click on the next button that is on the bottom right hand side. Just click on it and edit section will be appeared. Now you can add music to it, you can crop as well, you can add the text, or you can enhance the audio. And when you have finished editing your reel video, you just have to look on the bottom right hand side once more and click on the next button, and the share section will be appeared right in front of you, and there will be three different options. If you look on the top, there are share now. If you want to share it right now, you can just click on the share button that is on the bottom right hand side, and you will be able to share now. On the schedule, you can just schedule the time when you want to upload that particular reel, and another is save as a draft, and you can save that reel as a draft as well. So this is how to upload reels on Instagram from PC. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.